Hello. Enough of that. Okay. This is part 2 of today's video. Because I went around, came home. I was tired. I said, I'm going to lay down. Luckily, I fell asleep. I got a couple hours, got back up, and wanted to go do the 3 T's, hit the big H, and then do the 3 M's. I was only able to do the 3 T's and something else. I forget. Oh. I did the 3 T's. I checked Wilkes-Barre. Then I did the 3 I was going to go into Pitts, and I passed it. I said, I was already there. And the only thing they had were the Chronicles soccer that were $2 more than Targets and Pokemon. So I went to Taylor. But yeah, so I went to the 3 T's. Well, I went to Wilkes-Barre, the 3 T's, and then I went to Dixon City Walmart. I got some stuff, but they put their stuff out, and the lady said that the sports stuff was gone in less than half an hour. It was all gone. Like that. Alright, here we go. This is the continuation from before. Yesterday, was it early in the morning? I forget. Went out to I went to a new place in New York. I went to Matamoros and took a right. Went down 23. I forget what the name of it is. Take as much stuff as you want. Heritage. Upper Deck Hockey. Upper Deck Hockey. Heritage. Upper Deck Hockey. What the hell is this? Blaster, that's what it is. Blaster, Upper Deck Hockey. Tin, Upper Deck Hockey, Series 2. Parkhurst. Of course. I was going to say, now that'll be upside down. There we go. Parkhurst. I haven't seen Parkhurst in like 3 months. Canadian Blaster. Oh, French Canadian Blaster. And then this is French Canadian also. This is what is this? Is this a Mega Box? I think it's a Mega Box. I don't know. It doesn't say. See, Blaster Box used to be like 12 packs. This says 10 packs plus 1 bonus pack. So I don't know. Get 194.95 rookie die cut tribute bonus pack per box. I don't know. This could be a. I don't know. 8 cards per pack, 11 packs per box. I really don't know. I think it's a Mega. It'd be nice if these idiots made their stuff more. Recognizable, I guess is the word I'm looking for. Alright, I don't care what order I'm doing it. I think this was the one place I didn't even really want to go, and I went there and I got the most stuff that I got all day. Never seen these before. I thought these were those ETB with the colorful birds on them that are like really expensive, like really worth a lot. But I don't know what. It looks like a Pokemon lunchbox. So there were 2 of them, so I grabbed them. Three foil cards featuring Grookey, Scarbunny, and Sobiel. 5 Pokemon TCG booster packs, and much more. So they got a bunch of stuff in there. It's pretty cool. Yeah, but this is from Dixon City Walmart. They had one of these. I really didn't need it. I said, oh, what the hell, I'll take it. But I said to the lady, I go, this is bullshit. I said, I was up here at 8 in the morning, didn't have anything, so I said, I'm not staying around. I would have had to have waited. Oh my God, I would have had to have waited 8 hours for that lady to come. They said that she put them out at like 4 o'clock. And I got there at like, I don't know, 7:38. So that was one of the things I got from there. I also got, I don't know what that is. You know what that looks like? That looks like that Galarian Galapos or whatever. This is weird. Looks like Raikou and Pikachu. Got 2 more of these. God, I've never seen these before. I said, give me 2 of those. Got 2 more of these. Showing rain packs. Got 2 more of these. And these are like the worst things you could get. She's like, oh, here, I've got 1 left of these, and I didn't want to hurt her feelings. I said, okay, throw it in. I really didn't want it, but that's all right. I don't mind, though. Because somebody might want that. I don't know. I'm not sure. These are cool, though. I've been grabbing these all over the place. Keep grabbing them. Sad thing is, they used to be like $4.98, $5.98. Now they're like $8.98. Some places they're selling for like $10, $11. What is this? This is from Tuncanica. These guys, they haven't had cards there in like 3 weeks, or well, at least a couple weeks, I'd say. These are both Phanpy, but one has a green coin and one has a purple coin. So that's the difference. All right. Target. I don't even remember getting anything at Target. Oh yeah, I forgot. They have these, so I picked up a Charizard mini tin, and I was gonna grab this whale thing, but there was another Charizard, so I got 2 Charizards. Of course, I got 2 more of these. And I grabbed 3 empty boxes of these things, which is the containers for these things. So I have a bunch of them, so I might as well, you know. All right. Walmart. I don't remember which Walmart this was. Maybe Taylor? Yes, it was, and I'll tell you why. The lady likes me. She knows I'm not a flipper. And there was a new girl learning how to, learning the trade or whatever, learning how to become a clerk. And she started bitching about the flippers, and I was like, yeah, I go, I get treated like crap. Sometimes people think I'm a flipper. Not that I mean, I don't really care if you're a flipper or not. Who cares, to be honest with you? If you could make a buck doing it, more power to you. But it was funny. She said to the girl, these jerks circling around, keep coming back in line, going out in the parking lot, changing their clothes. I was laughing, and I fist bumped the new girl. She was kind of cute. I don't remember what her name was, but I said, hey, there's contenders in that box, and she grabbed the box, and and she kept moving, and finally she put on another shelf, and I was like, no, there's packs in there. And finally she flips it, and she doesn't see them, and I said, flip it all the way. So she flips it all the way, and they came out. And I go, oh, there's more than one. I said, I thought there was only one. And the girl that's teaching her how to become a Susie, I forget. But she grabs them. She's like, how many you want? I'm like, well, I would take them all, but she's like, she grabs them and she goes, here. And she sucked. I was like, yeah. So I got 3 contenders instead of only one that I was supposed to. It was pathetic how something like that makes you, yeah. But it wasn't that good of a day, though, because fucking this bitch will not restock stores. This idiot, she's restocking one store every 2 weeks. Like, Wilkes-Barre hasn't been stocked in 2 weeks. Pittston was stocked once in the last 3 weeks. Tunkhannock hasn't been stocked in a couple weeks. Dixon City was stocked minimal for like 3 weeks in a row. And Taylor was stocked twice in the last 6 weeks. I figured, what the heck. I got one of Jerk Boy. And I got 4 of these, since he's the real star, not Jerk Off James. That's so sad. I really liked LeBron James, and he had to get political, start being an idiot with that stupid crap. What a moron. Alright, anyways, so I figured I would get the collection of these. This was the collection. It was Bugs Bunny, Space Jam from 1060 LeBron James 1059. So it was 1059, 1060, 1061, 1062. But I'm gonna smash you if you fall over again. I'm not even tilting it backwards. I don't know why it's doing that. It must be top heavy. One of the boxes was open. Some idiot opened it. That's probably what's going on here. Anyways, so 1059, 1060, 1061. Lola Bunny. Just so stupid. 1062 is Daffy Duck the Coach. And then I saw this, and I'm like, you know what? It's starting off a new series from... Oh, that's what it is. Oh, that's so weird. That's really weird. It goes 1059, 1060, 1061, 1062, 1085. And then it goes... Oh, shit, I saw Dom. I didn't get it. I didn't see Sylvester Tweety. I didn't see whatever that thing is. Hot Net Fire. White Mamba. And a LeBron James, a second one. I didn't see those, so... It's ridiculous, though. You try to collect a series. And here's the series here. LeBron 1059. Bugs Bunny 1060. That Lola Bunny 1061, and Daffy Duck the Coach 1062. So I got this set. This other thing, I don't know if it's an extended set or what. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 of them. I don't know. But I've been grabbing these things just, I don't know, because I've been bored because the cards haven't been there. So if they don't start putting more cards out, I'm done. Thanks for watching.